Well, I have with me someone who was corona positive but underwent treatment in Tamil Nadu. Now he is completely recovered and back home. And thank you very much, sir, for your time. Congratulations on your recovery and getting back home. How does it feel?
Thank you, sir. I'm not feeling well, sir. I'm in house. I got discharged on 16th of this month, April. I was there for 15 days in General Hospital, Trichy. And when I got admitted on 1st April, they said they conducted the test, blood test as well as the other tests. They conveyed me that you have got a positive corona symptom.
Was it very boring for you?
Not boring, because we are Muslims, we have our own practices of offering prayer and also doing meditation, recitation of the Holy Quran, and also reading news messages from the online newspapers.
You got very nutritious food?
Sir, they were administering the medicines. 3 times they used to give the medicine, morning, afternoon and evening. And they were giving costly medicines also. Anti-flu, about 65 rupees per medicine, like that. Very costly medicine they were administering. In addition to that, they were observing all the patients individually, whether they develop any symptom with regard to the coronavirus. So anyhow, we spent about 13 days. Our district collector also used to call us and inquire about our health. And it was highly encouraging, and also the kind of confidence it gave to all the patients.
You also had attended the Delhi conference. Did you volunteer to go for testing, or you responded only after you got the symptoms?
No sir, no symptom at all when we were there in Delhi. So we caught the flight on 24th early morning 3 o'clock and returned to Chennai on 24th at 9:30. And in airport also we were conducted the test. And they said, you are returning from Delhi, therefore we suspect that there is a coronavirus in you. But anyhow, there is no symptom, no fever. They applied the instrument and found that no fever. But they instructed us to go home and remain idle in isolation without mixing other people. So we came here on 24th evening. From 24th onwards, I was maintaining isolation. I formed myself in self-quarantine in my house. My son and my family are in the upstairs. So I was alone in my ground floor. Nobody came and have any contact with me. And at that time, all the Delhi returned people were asked to go and report to the government hospital. Many were taken home from by the hospital authorities by using the 108 van and all. But myself, I volunteered myself and went and joined on 1st April on my own. And when I admitted, there were already about 40 people, and totally 103 people got admitted by 5th April. They conducted the test on 1st April, and they gave the result on 3rd April saying that you got a positive symptom.
When you heard you were positive, what ran in your mind? What was your feeling at that point in time?
Yes, sir. When they said that you have got a positive coronavirus indication, then immediately we had a feeling that our life is going to come to an end within 1 or 2 weeks, because it is a killing virus. So ultimate result is only killing. Therefore, it is a killer virus. Therefore, we have to face the death. But anyhow, we were asking them, if we have got that coronavirus, what will be the indication? Therefore, they said about the symptoms, and we were observing whether we develop the symptoms in ourselves. But by the grace of God Almighty, no indication came, and we were administering the medicines properly, and the care taken by the administration also was very highly appreciable. Because of the good environment and patronage given by the authorities, we developed a confidence, and we were thinking that because no development, no symptom, I think God is saving us. That was the feeling.
What was the feeling among your family members at that point in time, sir?
Family members also had the same fear, because when I told them I got positive, while many people, majority about 70, they have got negative, they said, why God is punishing you alone? And they were telling like that. But anyhow, I persuaded them, and when government wanted all the family members also to come to the hospital for testing, I only advised my family people to come immediately and have the test because it is only for our own benefit and we have to undergo the guidelines of the government because they are doing only good thing for us. They are not creating any problem to us. So therefore all my family members, about 7 or 8 in number, they came and conducted the test. By the grace of God, after 3 days they told that all of them they have got negative.
Right. It's a great feeling to be back home with your family.
Yes sir. Now I am family is there in the upstairs, I am in the isolation in the downstairs. But anyhow, I feel I am happy that God has given us a rebirth from this killing virus, and I have joined my family, and it should continue for some more years so that we can fulfill our other unfulfilled task to the family.
Many also blame the Delhi meeting that they violated the instructions by the Delhi government not to have so many people in a conference like that.
Yes, sir. It is there is a conflicting statement given by the authorities, media. But what happened on March 15th, the Delhi government has said from that date onwards, the congregation of above 50 is prohibited. But the information did not reach the authorities, even though every day the Home Ministry CID people and the External Affairs Ministry CID people are coming and staying there, and they are taking notes, and they are taking down the things that are happening in that markaz, in that place, and informing the government. But nobody brought that information to the notice of the authorities of that particular masjid. Had it been known to them, they would have cancelled definitely this kind of a program. Because when we were told by the central government authorities on Monday 23rd about the immediate dissolution of the meeting, our member in charge, that there he said, it is our duty to obey the government order, therefore we have to go immediately, and I am winding up the programs. You please take whatever mode of transport available and reach your home. And we are sending all the people who are staying in this masjid. So from that statement I felt that the information has not reached them. Had it reached them earlier, I think this program would not have been definitely conducted, because these people are they are very strictly following whatever the rules and regulations, guidelines given by the government of India.
Many blame this community for the spread of coronavirus across the country. How would you respond to that?
No, we cannot respond to the media propagation because it may be done rightly or wrongly. But they said that the Tabligh people only, they brought Corona from Delhi to Tamil Nadu. This kind of a false statement was done without any verification of the fact. And by the grace of God Almighty, the people, the Corona has not affected them, as well as they have not spread Corona to anybody. When I got discharged, I was asking my doctor, Dr. Yagunathan in the Trichy GH General Hospital, sir, what is the meaning? When we came here, you told that I am positive. Now after undergoing the treatment and other following the regulations, now we have got negative. Sir, what is the meaning of this? I don't understand the scientific and real meaning of this kind of treatment. Then he was explaining, you had the coronavirus inside your body, but because of the treatment and other resistance power you developed in your body, this has gone out and it is killed, and you are not affected, and you have not been responsible for affecting other people also. So of course we had some stamina, but because of the vitamin and other antibiotics, medicines that were administered by the government of Tamil Nadu through this hospital, we were able to kill the virus completely, and we are given rebirth. So this kind of a predetermined statement people are giving, the Tabligh people only, they gave this coronavirus, they brought it from Delhi and spread throughout Tamil Nadu.
Has this kind of blaming affected the community in any way?
No, sir. That blaming or favorably or unfavorably will be there always, sir. But without verification, they have told. Now they understand what they told is wrong, because more than 95% of the people who got admitted, they have come out with the negative results. Only 5% or 10% may remain in the hospital. And now we cannot avoid blaming or anything in a democratic country like ours, because everybody has got a freedom to tell their views, and we cannot find fault with the people or media because they are pouring water, wrong water on the water on wrong people. So that is how we have to take, sir.
There have been cases where doctors were targeted, health workers were attacked. How do you see that?
No, nothing like that, sir, because here also in Trichinopalli what happened, when the people, when the hospital authorities, they asked the family members to come and get tested, some of the people got agitated. They were coming and complaining to me because I was like a leader there in the group of 40 people who had positive. I told them, don't get agitated, let our relatives come here, they also undergo the test because it is only for our own benefit. If we don't allow our parents to or our family members to come here, then there will be a great loss to us if anything happens, and government is indirectly helping us to identify whether we have any problem or not. So if we undertake this kind of a treatment in a private hospital, we should spend more amount. But without any spending, government is doing all the help. So we have to cooperate with the government and bring all our family members. And one person alone was highly agitated, and he threw his mask down, saying that, Madam, see, I am very healthy, but you are now asking my family people also to come here. I got small children. What will happen to them if they come? So this kind of an agitation was made by the positive. Now this would not have happened if they don't cooperate. Now they understand they have got positive problem, and now they are all admitted in the hospital getting treatment. So
The doctors who treated you, are they taking enough precautions? Do they wear personal protective equipment? Because more than 10 doctors in Tamil Nadu have now tested positive. Are they taking proper care in your view?
yes, sir, they themselves are taking care of themselves with the dresses and all, precautionary dresses. And they used to visit in the morning as well as in the evening. They come and just ask us, they stand before us and ask, sir, do you have any development? Do you have any symptom?
Do they wear the full personal protective equipment?
Yes, sir, they have got fully covered with all protection, and they were taking care of themselves and then coming and addressing us. And they come to us and they also take blood test for sugar. I had a sugar problem and the ulcer problem. Therefore, for that also they were kind enough to take blood test and tell me the sugar range. So they were very helpful, sir, and they used to come and very kindly, politely, and because of the good treatment and the affection, empathy shown by them, we were able to get some strength in our body and also confidence.
Also, what is your message to the people who have not come for testing yet or who are worried about contracting corona?
Sir, contracting corona is everybody's responsibility, sir. In Islam, there is one saying of the Prophet Muhammad. During his life days also, there was this kind of a virus, and he has told the people to remain in isolation for 40 days. So it is officially recorded in Hadith, the sayings of the Prophet Muhammad. Then whenever we get this kind of a virus, you have to maintain 40 days isolation. So this is the treatment. This 40 days isolation will not only kill the virus in yourself, will not allow you to spread the virus to other people. So it is conformably said in our hadith, in the sayings of the Prophet Muhammad, it was also practiced, and therefore isolation is compulsory. Isolation will help us to make the virus die in ourselves because of the protective measures, and also it will not allow it to spread to others. So my humble message to everybody, it is according to the World Health Organization, our government has clamped down for 40 days. Now this clamp down is essentially very much required, because even after clamp down many people are not keeping in isolation, but if 100% keep in isolation, they will definitely get cured even though they are affected by the coronavirus. Because 40 days is the maximum time within which it will automatically die, and also it will not spread to other people. And many countries, many people they say that because of clamp down, our economic growth has come down. As a commerce and management professor, I know economic growth may come down, but the economic growth is only for the people. If there are no people, where is the need for economic development? So let economic development go down, no problem, but people must be protected. So what our Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister has done, our CM has done, it is a welcome measure, and 40 days is the prescribed time prescribed in our Islamic tradition also, sir. Therefore, a message to everybody to follow the guidelines of government at Tamil Nadu, and whatever they say, keep in yourself separately in the houses and don't mix with the people. Social distancing is compulsory, and also taking healthy medicine and also healthy food will try to build up our immune capacity in our body, and it will try to make the virus die automatically. So this is the best cure, sir.
Very shortly, sir, the government in its daily report mentions the number of people who are positive, especially those who have come back from the Delhi conference separately. Is that kind of listing fine for you?
No, sir, I don't find any fault with that kind of a treatment or that kind of a presentation, because they are duty bound to tell what happened to the Delhi people, because there is a fear that from Delhi only the corona has come to Delhi, Marcus, many other, because it is a place where all the people throughout the country, throughout the globe, they come and gather. Definitely there are possibilities for this kind of a development there. And we never find fault with the administration saying that out of so many are from Delhi return, so many are Delhi return. It is a valuable information given for the Muslim community that how many of us are safe, how many of us are still in problem, how many of us are still undertaking the treatment. So I welcome this kind of a classification, because it gives more clear information about what is happening to the people, especially who have come down from a center where so many country people and so many Indian people are gathering together.
Right. Lastly, sir, what is that one thing you are desperately waiting to do after your home quarantine time now is over?
Yes, sir, I am in home quarantine and I am spending my time in reading newspapers and reading books and also practicing my regular Islamic practices like prayer, reading, reciting Quran and doing meditation. And I never admit anybody to come and meet me. And I also wanted to go and meet our collector to make a presentation of minimum my contribution towards the COVID fund, about 20,000. I requested my district collector to accept that, and I have requested him to accept the money sent by me through my son. So I want to contribute, I want to join in the battle of controlling the coronavirus in whatever possible manner. And this message also I am willingly giving, because it will create confidence and it will give you a true picture about what happened to a patient who has come out of the death knell and rebirth given by God Almighty. I am happy to inform another information that patient who have returned with a negative, confirmed as positive and returned as negative by repeated treatment, are ready to give our blood for under plasma treatment, where blood of these recovered people can be utilized for suffering COVID patients. Because after all, God has given everything only for to be distributed to others.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time and for opening up with us. And we wish you good health